Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do today is we're going to make another sprinkler gear for our little walking tractor. This is a national walking tractor. I've acquired another one. Needs a gear. Never would have guessed that. But anyway, we're up here upstairs, and I'm going to be printing out a new gear on my Ender3 3D printer. So let's check the progress on this. Well, these are two national walking tractor sprinklers, and the one on the right is the one that I've had for years, and it's the first one that I made the 3D printed gear for. The one on the left, it is a model 100. You can see that pretty easy, and there are some subtle differences between the two, and I think possibly that may have something to do with the age of them. The one on the left, it still had a plastic gear, and it is still intact, but just over a period of time the sun has really deteriorated it. Well, this is in Tinkercad, and I designed this gear. Got it the right diameter, the correct number of teeth, pitch, all that. And something that I really liked, the cotter pin that holds the gear to the shaft, I actually figured that into the design, and that way I don't even have to drill or anything. It's just print it, look it over, and install it. If you can, look right here where it printed a hole. It did fill it with some really loose fit, kind of a lattice in there, and you can push that out when it's through printing, but that's going to be a hole for the cotter pin to go through. So here the display is showing 94% complete, and I believe it's been printing for 2 hours and 36 minutes. So I hope you can see that. It's kind of blurry on the screen here. Well, it's getting close now. It's down to 99% complete. I'm going to try to catch it right here as it finishes. Got a print time so far of 2 hours and 42 minutes. That seems like a long time, and it is, but you couldn't make a gear much quicker than that any other way. So let's see it finish here. There you go. It's complete. And all I have to do is just push that out, and it'll pop out real easy. But anyway, I don't know if you can see the bevel on that, but it's just right to mesh up with that worm gear on that sprinkler. Here I've pushed the little plastic out of the hole, and now we've got a nice clean straight hole just ready to run a cotter pin through. Looks like the next time we come out to the shop, we may just have to install that new gear.